What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're going to be trying out the e.l.f. magnetic mask. Ooh, let's see if this really works. So if you want to see how this works and see if it works on my skin, stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. Thank you for joining me and staying tuned. We are going to try this mask out. It's by e.l.f. It's called the Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. So I'm super excited to try this out and see if she works. So let's break open the box. I have my handy dandy knife so I can cut the tape off and we can open her up. So I got this mask a couple weeks ago and I filmed a video on it in my e.l.f. haul. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link that down below because I got a couple of cool things in there. But yeah, so I was excited to try this mask when I seen it online. So inside it comes with the magnetic tool to take off the the product, and it also has a spatula to apply the product with, and then it also has these little sleeves that you put on so that way when you're taking the product off it's easy to clean up. And then let's get the product out. This is the product right here. It comes in this tube right here, or tub. It's not a tube, sorry. And it has a little top. Ooh, oh yeah, she is great for sure. So let's see. Let's read the instructions. It says, with the scoop side of the magnetic tool, apply the mask to a clean face, dry face. Void the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I went and got me a mirror so I can see putting this on my face. I really can't see in the monitor too good. So I'm going to take this little top off, but I'm going to scrape off all that goodness. So we want to utilize all our product. Take this off. And we're going to take our spatula like it said and apply this bad boy. So, to the face. She smells pretty good. She smells like apricot-y or citrusy. I think that's the best word. I'm going to get this on here good. I'm going to smooth all that out as good as I can. I don't want to take off product anywhere. Just kind of want to get it everywhere that I can. Make sure you smooth it out. You know, just put it everywhere. We are trying to get all that gunk out the face. Okay? So for boy by eye, so we're going to boy by eyes. And I think it says to let this dry for 10-15 minutes, but I'm going to check the box again and just double check. Let's grab a little bit, get as close to the eye as possible, because you know, it's like sensitive skin right there. And get these sides, honey. Alright. And go on and get on this nose. Oh my gosh. So I like this spatula tool thing that they gave. It's smoothing it out really, really good. I'm pretty sure I have a tool like this somewhere. Probably going to have to use something else on my nose, but we'll go up here, start working. And start working up here. Do not get this in your hair, girl. Your eyebrow hair, none of that. No eyebrow hairs. Get it away from the eyebrow hairs. We are not trying to hurt ourselves, okay? We are not trying to hurt ourselves. Ooh, did I get some in my hair? I did. Got a little bit in there. Let's see. I'm gonna get this area. Without getting my hair too much. And then just kind of spread this out, honey. She's really thick right there. But Some more. Put that on there as good as we can. It's like I'm moving the product, it's not staying. There we go. I'm just gonna click some on my nose over here. We want the nose. That's where you get all that gunk and bullshit at. I know for me, that's where I have it at. So we definitely want to get this nose. And I don't really want to get this on my hands. So don't share your tools. Okay. I think that is good enough. I don't know. Every time I keep putting it on my nose, it like keeps moving. Trying to wipe it on my nose. Alright, but that, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Now we just gotta let her dry. That's as good as it's gonna get. I got her majority everywhere as I can. I'm going to close this up so she doesn't dry out. This is really, really cute. So we're gonna let her dry. Let's see how long it says to let her dry for. It says leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the head of the magnetic tool and one of the included magnetic covers for mess-free mask removal. To take mask off, hover the magnetic tool just above the surface of your skin and guide slowly. Discard cover after use. Recommending using is 1 to 2 times a week for best results. Do not rinse face off with water. All right, so I'm going to let this dry and I'll be right back because I'm going to clean my tool off, okay? I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Got my tool cleaned off. Gotta wait for her to dry. Then grab my handy dandy wand. So we're gonna wait about 5-10 minutes. I have my phone right here. And see how this works. I'm so excited. I hope it works and it really like magnetically pulls off and everything. I think maybe I put it on a little too thick. Who knows? So I gotta let it dry. So let me see what time it is. It's about 3:09 right now. So it's been on for about probably 3 minutes or so. So we gotta give it about a good 10 more minutes. I know it says 5 to 10, but I always kind of go a little longer, you know. Just go a little longer, you know. So let's see if this is going to work. We do have some spots that we can play around with. Gonna get one of my handy dandy sleeves out. Boom, 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 boom. And put it on this tool that they gave me. Let's see. I got my sleeve on the tool. I'm kind of nervous, you guys. Think I'm gonna go in. Oh. Yeah, that one is too magnetified. I can't use that side. It's like by 10. All right, so let's see. Oh my God. Do y'all see that? It is picking it up. Literally. Literally. Do you guys see that? Oh my God. Like, look at that, you guys. It is picking it up. Oh my God. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see. Oh my God. Like, literally. It is picking it up off of my face. Like, with no problems. That is freaking crazy. Oh my God. And then look how it comes out. It's like all, like a little flower. Oh, wow. It feels kind of weird, you guys. It feels kind of weird. So this is all full. So what I'm going to do is just take this off. Ooh, it is really magnetic because it was kind of hard to pull that off of there. We're going to put another one on because I put a lot on my face. So it feels weird coming off, but hey, it is really picking up. Do y'all see that? I'm trying to go where y'all can see, but it is picking up off of my face, like literally like a freaking magnet. This is crazy, guys. I have never in my life used a mask like this. Look at that. It is really just, you just wand it over your face and it just takes it off. I wonder if I can, nope, you can't do it on that side because this is getting full again. Okay, that's what I don't like about these paper things. It's like you have to keep changing it. So I'm gonna put another one on. I'm gonna have to buy like some slip clovers for these. Alright, let's get this bad boy on. And just, get all that goodness. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. It is just, you can feel it pulling. It's not hurting me, but you can really feel it pulling and lifting stuff out. I'm trying to look at this stuff and see if anything is coming out with it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? How it just went over my nose like that? Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Alright, so dang, you really use these masks up. Unless I just put way too much on. There you go. Trying to get as much of this off as possible because it says not to use water. Oh wow, it like really getting all of this off of me. Oh, problems. I think like it is like you probably need to use like 2 or 3 of these. I just use way too much product. But yeah, this is kind of cool, you guys. I'm liking it a lot. So let's see if I can get a last little bit. It's really getting everything off. And my skin feels really soft. There's just these little spots right there that can't come off. Because I guess I just put too much where I can't get the thing close enough. So I'm just going to kind of rub it off. Make sure I get it off. And I have this little spot right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That was like the last little bit on my face. So I think that's everything off of my face. Yeah. That's everything off of my face. So, I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Oh my God. She feels so soft. I mean, it feels like my face has primer on it. Like literally, she feels so soft and smooth. Like I can't explain it. She feels so soft and smooth. So soft and smooth, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. This is nice. Let me zoom you guys out. Yes, this is nice. She feels really soft and supple. Oh my goodness. She feels like I have a primer on. And I'm trying to look at like the little areas on my face that I don't like. I have like a little bump, like really huge pores right here and right here. And they seem to not be as big, but I feel like it could be better. But as far as definitely ready to put makeup on, yes, my skin is so soft and smooth. Literally, like if I rubbed primer on my face, like I can't stop touching it because it's amazing how soft it is. Like, oh my goodness. So I really do like this mask. I will be using her again. It says you can use it 1 to 2 times a week, so I'll definitely be doing that because I mean she is so soft. I mean, it's not even funny. Like, I still see all my little kind of acne bumps that I got going on right now and my hyperpigmentation. I can still see all of that, but she's soft and smooth, and we're gonna see how she does with some makeup on top. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this mask down in the comment section down below. I really liked it. It does say antioxidant and rich skin protection, and it feels like my skin is protected. Like it has like a layer or something going on, you know, like when you put on primer and it kind of has like that slip, this like smooth slip. That's what my face has right now. It's like a smooth slip, and I think that's why it says not to put water on, because water is just going to kill that slip. So if I was to just put on some moisturizer real quick and throw on some makeup, and I don't think I need to put moisturizer on because it's supposed to have all these oils in it already. So hey, but we gonna try it out, boo. We gonna try it out and see what it does over the next couple weeks, because I am loving how my skin feels. We'll see how makeup applies over it and go from there. But until next time, stay fly and shine.